Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and trying out the EYESCREAM beauty box for August 2022. I just got out the shower, girl, so that's why I look a little crazy, but I wanted to try out that skincare that we're getting in here. The card is August Camp Glam. This is the skincare that we got in this box. This is My Skinny Mask Miracle Hydrating Serum. So I'm excited to try it. I washed my face and I put on my toner. So now I'm going to use this. You glow, girl. So it's supposed to be a miracle hydrating serum with prickly pear seed oil and vitamin A, C, and E to instantly brighten, hydrate, and glow. Oh, it comes out like this yellow gold color. I almost say that it has like a lemon-ish scent. So it absorbs into the skin really nicely. I like that. It's not like a lot of oils that you can put on and they just sit on top of your skin. It really did soak in pretty nicely. So now I'm just going to go over top of it with my e.l.f. Holy Hydration. I love this face cream. It's amazing. It is very hydrating. And I keep it in my little refrigerator over here so it's very cold. Oh, this is so good. This is like my favorite part of the morning is skincare. I love having that mini refrigerator for my skincare. It's like the best thing ever. It's so cooling to your face. It feels so refreshing. My skin feels so much better now because I have very dry skin, so this I feel like was made for me. And I think I forgot to say, but this retails for $40. I'm looking for my hair clip. I need my hair clip. My skin definitely looks very hydrated. It feels really good too. It doesn't feel overly oily or anything like that. So I will definitely update you guys down in the description box and let you know if it interrupted with my makeup because it's very early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning here. So I'm going to be having this makeup on all day. So now I'm just going to jump off camera and do my foundation, my eyebrows, and I will be back to unbox the rest of this EYESCREAM beauty box. Okay girl, I'm back. I got my foundation, eyebrows, and bronzer done. So let's go ahead and finish unboxing. So next up we have the IBY Beauty Blush and Highlighter Duo, and this retails for $22. Then we have the Bella Pierre Holographic Lip Gloss, and this retails for 20 bucks. We have Crown Pro Metallic Eyeliner Duo, and these retail for $7. That's a really good price for 2 eyeliners though. And Crown Pro, I really do like them a lot. And then next up we have this Ace Beauté Scarlet Dust Palette, and it retails for $35. This one I'm going to keep and do a giveaway. So as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my channel. And we're super close. Last time I checked, I think it was at like 440. So girl, we're only like 60 people away. But that palette is amazing and I already own it. So it's no point in me having duplicate palettes when I can share it with one of you guys. This palette is absolutely amazing. I love this palette. I use it a ton. I cannot say enough good things about Ace Beauté. Their formula is amazing. So I think I'm going to start out with these IBY Blush and Highlighter Duo. So the blush is in the shade Sunkissed, and the highlighter is in the shade Wanderlust. That highlighter is beautiful. I've never tried their I've never tried any of their blush or highlighter, but I have tried their eyeshadows and they're amazing. But my top just broke on me. Dang it. This is what the blush looks like. I wouldn't say their packaging is the best. Ooh, this blush is pretty. It's very pigmented too. Like I'm barely dipping my brush in here. Very pretty though. I love it. Let's try the highlighter on my weird brush because y'all know I can't be putting on highlighter without this weird brush of mine. I gotta have it. It's a must. But very nice, and the top just clips right back on, so even though it's broken, it's really not that big of a deal. It really just clips right back on, so that's fine. That highlighter is gorgeous though. So pretty. I really like those too. These eyeliners, I don't think I'm going to be using these today because I'm like silver or purple. Probably not. You know, I like everything to be like super matchy-matchy. Okay. So I'm going to start out with Sunset Rose. And let me know down in the comments when I am doing my eyeshadow looks and I've been like popping the little picture of the palette up so I can show you what color out of the palette I'm using. Is that helpful for you guys, or do you just really not like that? Let me know down in the comments. I just thought that way, you know what I mean? Like, I figured it would be a little more helpful if I did that, so that way you could actually physically see which shade I'm using. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments, if you like it or not. I'm going to use Aruba, and I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my lid. These shimmers are just so beautiful. And this look that I'm doing right now, I have done a ton of times. It's my favorite look to do out of this palette. Like, do you guys do that? Do you have like certain palettes and like you just know that you're gonna do this one certain look out of that palette because it's your favorite to do? I have that with a lot of my palettes. Like, a lot of my palettes, I'm like, I have this like go-to look out of this one palette that I'm got in mind. So for my outer crease, I'm using Crimson. And this shade is just so pretty. I love this shade. This shade right here, Crimson, is probably my favorite one out of this palette. I love this peachy orange that it is. And I especially love it with my sweater that I'm wearing because I just think it matches so well. So now I'm just going to buff this out, this Crimson shade out. I'm not going to take it all the way around like I normally do. I'm just going to buff it out right over top of it. I'm going to go back in with my flat brush and kind of do the same thing with that shimmer shade. Just buff it out a little bit. I'm going to go back and blend the center here just to make sure that Aruba and Crimson shade is blended really nicely together. Then I'm going to go back in with my first fluffy brush that I use in my transition and just blend over top of both of them. I didn't add anything else to this brush, just using the leftovers that's on it, so it kind of blends everything together. And I think I'm going to go back and add a little bit of that Aruba shade back in, just because I feel like I lost some of it when I was doing the blending. Go back and blend a little more. I always blend my eyeshadows to death because they just look so much better. I don't feel like you can over blend eyeshadow, if that makes sense, because if you're losing one color or another, you can always go back and add it. But you definitely want to make sure that you get them blended, because I really like having that nice gradient to it, and I don't like any like harsh lines. I never have on me. Like, other people can do like super harsh lines and I'm like, ah, dang, that looks good, and I try it and I'm like, I look like a crazy. I normally don't do any harsh lines on myself, like cut creases or anything like that. So now I'm going to take Crimson and put that on my lower lash line. So now for my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm going to use Maui. Then I'm going to go back with my first brush and blend my brow bone highlight, so that way it's not harsh, it's kind of fading into one another. I'm almost thinking I should try this silver eyeliner. I don't know, just because it's in the box and I want to try it really. Put it in the waterline and see. So it's not really showing up in my waterline too much. A little bit, but not really. It's not really showing up that great, but it is silver. I mean, it's probably not really going to show up that great. So now I'm just going to use the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Love. I love this eyeliner. It really does last. Now I need to try the lip gloss. And I think I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use the Be Bella Only Yours. I want to say that we got this out of another ice cream beauty box. And now I'm going to use the Bella Pierre lip gloss. It smells really good. It's got like a fruity smell to it. It has like a light pink tint to it, so it is really pretty. I like it a lot. But yeah, that's everything out of our box. So I'm gonna do something a little different today, girl, and I'm gonna try out, well, okay, I'm not gonna try this out. I've already tried this out. But I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I need you guys to like let me know what you think about these lashes, because I'm not really sure about them. I got this Kiss Lash Glue liner, and it came with a pair of lashes, and I really liked those lashes. But I generally, if I wear false lashes, I always get the Kiss ones because they have ones that look super natural, which is kind of, I guess, defeating the purpose of wearing eyelashes. But I like the ones that are more natural looking than super long crazy, because I have such hooded eyes that if the eyelash is touching my eyebrow, girl, it just looks a little weird. I don't really care for that. But I was going through my lash drawer over here, and I pulled out a few pair. I got these Lily lashes. I got these out of BoxyCharm, I think. And then I got these Ioni lashes. These are really pretty. I got these from the dollar store for $1.25, girl. That's amazing. Everybody says they're really good lashes. I've never tried them yet, but I got a pair so I could. But I think I'm going to use these today. These are by Lashaholic. Girl, I think I got these out of BoxyCharm too. I couldn't even tell you how long I've had these lashes. But I never wear lashes. I'm not that girl. I'm not a false lash girl. But only because I really struggle with getting them applied. And that's really the only reason why I'm not a lash girl. So when I got that lash glue liner and put it on, and I put on the Kiss lashes that it came with, they went on so easy. They looked really nice, so it makes me want to try it again. So that's what we're here about to do. But if I look like a crazy girl, I need you to be honest with me and tell me like, no, those are not for you. Because sometimes I feel like false lashes make me look a bit on the crazy side. I don't want to walk out the house looking like a crazy lady. Like, girl, no. Take them things off. You look ridiculous. Which is, I think, why when I do wear false lashes, I definitely try to get the ones that are basically the same length as my lashes. So that way they just make my lashes look a bit fuller, and I don't try to get something that's too much longer than my lashes, even though the ones that I have here, all three of these are way longer than my natural lashes. So we'll see how they look. Hopefully they look decent, and hopefully these go on as easy as them other ones did, because I'm telling you, like, this stuff went on easy. So what you're supposed to do is apply this and then immediately just stick the lash to it. You don't have to wait for it to dry or anything. So we're gonna try this again today. The only thing with this is you have to wipe this off after you use it. Please go on as easy as you did the other day. Okay. I don't like how this like inner corner one's looking. It's looking a little crazy. But and then I did this the other day too. I took my heated eyelash curler and then I curled everything together, and it just helped press my lashes up into the falsies. That's what we're gonna do again. Okay, so that's one lash on. That wasn't too terrible. I think they blend pretty well together. I don't know, girl. Let me know what you think. Oh, okay, you guys. So I got the lashes applied. I really like how they look, but honestly, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, if you like the lashes or not. But this is my go-to look that I did with the Ace Beauty palette. Like almost every time I pick up that palette, this is the look that I create. I love that palette so much. So overall, this box was great. I'm so glad that we got the Ace Beauty palette in this box. Even though I already own it, it's really nice because I'm going to get to share it with one of you guys. I do like this lip gloss. I will definitely be using this lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl, so I never hate on getting a new lip gloss in a box. So the eyeliners, I did try to use the silver. It didn't show up in my waterline, but it is silver, so I don't expect it to be too pigmented. But let me swatch these really quick for you. Ooh, that purple is gorgeous. Oh, I just broke the tip off of the silver one. It's a really soft formula, so be careful. But these are the swatches on them. The IBY blush and highlighter, love this. This is probably my favorite thing out of the box. Well, besides the Ace Beauty palette, you know what I mean. But I did enjoy using these too. And like I said, I'm going to have this listed in the description box, how it wore with my makeup. I'm going to wear this makeup all day long. So definitely check the description box down below. But yeah, girl, thank you so much for watching. If you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Yeah, girl, I will see you in my next video. Bye.